Hi everyone, Nathan MB here. I thought I'd better reintroduce myself after all these years of making short form content while I'm doing a quick makeup look for a transition video. Like I said, this is a quick video and I'm just using obviously my sponge to apply my foundation and a nice neutral base so I can build on top. Now I'm just going in with a slightly darker shade just to do a bit of contouring. Just a little bit more dry contour. I am not using a mirror, I am literally just using my phone camera. I am a creative content creator and live stream host on multiple platforms. I will help you discover new and exciting ways of shooting and editing the most incredible videos using just my Android smartphone. Now, after I put my base on, I like to go in with a little bit of setting spray, just to set that for a little while, let it dry, and then I'll start applying some more. Yes, I know I've put on a lot. It's because I want it to last me for a lot of videos. We'll just wait for that to dry a little bit. I'm still waiting for it to dry. I'm going to be using this really vibrant pinky blush because obviously I want it to show up on camera. I'm going to take it slightly over my eyes as well. A little bit of shading under the chin. It may seem like a lot, but it's not really. Like I said, with the lights, with my ring light and everything, I want it to show up. So I'm probably going a little bit OTT. I suppose I better use my little mirror because I'm going to start doing my eyes. Oops. If you're wondering how I'm getting more product on me, because that mirror's dirty, it's because I've got my powder here. Nifty little trick. As you can see, I've just put a very subtle lash on. And I'm just going to prepare my lips for a little bit of lippy. Better use my mirror. Well, I suppose I just better put my wig on and a little bit of a costume, and I'm ready to rock and roll. I post daily blogs about just about everything, content creation, my true life experiences, good and bad, monetizing your content, skincare, time management, and the behind the scenes. I will even take you with me when I'm traveling so you can experience different countries too. Shorts are posted daily and long form content weekly, so subscribe, tune in, and remember, everything is content. See you in the next video.